This video was digitized from a reel of silent 8mm film, and I think it belonged to this gentleman right here, this Navy lieutenant, although I don't know his name. And there was no markings on the film, but it did have a manufacture date of 1947. And I'm not sure what position the Navy lieutenant held here on USS Sicily CVE-118, which was a Commencement Bay class escort carrier, but you could see the planes here are from Squadron VS-22, and those are Grumman TBM-3E, 3W, 3S Avengers. I don't know which model they are. They're either the 3E, 3W, or 3S version of the Grumman Avenger. And Sicily was newly commissioned in this film. She was commissioned on the 27th of February 1946. She was built and commissioned on the west coast of the United States, and then did her shakedown cruise there. And then in May of 1946, she received orders to proceed to New York on the east coast of the United States. And then she proceeded through the Panama Canal, stopped at Norfolk, Virginia for a brief stay, and then arrived in New York on the 6th of June and entered the Brooklyn Navy Yard. And then on the 30th of September 1946, she departed for Argentina, Newfoundland, to participate in cold weather training. And she operated as part of the Atlantic Fleet for the next 3 years, based in Norfolk. So this is sometime in that time period, that 1947-48 time period on the East Coast. Then after her stay in Norfolk, she was transferred in 1950 to the Pacific Fleet and was based in San Diego. Sicily didn't really have a long career. She was decommissioned in October 1954 and then stricken in July of 1960 and then sold for scrap in October of 1960. But she did do 3 combat tours in Korea, and then she was finally decommissioned when the Navy started rolling out the Essex class aircraft carriers, which replaced the Commencement Bay class carriers, which Sicily was one of. But yeah, just a really great look at her here with Squadron VS-22 and their Grumman TBM-3 Avengers. And you'll get a nice look at them taking off and landing here. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this bit of U.S. Navy history with USS Sicily CVE-118 and Squadron VS-22 in 1947-1948. I hope you enjoyed this bit of history. Try to upload military and patriotic videos to my site here, about every other day. And if you're interested in a good read, check out my books at www.edsemler.com.